Hello. Good day, Mr. Joshua Rojo. I'm Mary Eileen Lumakang from ANZA. Today, I will be sharing my answers about communication based on a given question. So, let's begin. First, which mode of communication are you more confident in? Speaking or writing? And how will you improve the mode in which you are less confident? So, for me, I am more confident in writing because it gives me enough time to organize my thoughts, choose the right words, and express my ideas clearly. I am less confident in speaking, especially when talking in front of a group of people, and sometimes I feel nervous and worry about making mistakes. So, to improve, I will practice speaking in English every day, participate more in class discussions, and I will read more books and articles, practice writing essay and journals in tiers, and ask my teacher or classmate for feedback, and I will also review rules rules and grammar and learn new vocabulary every day. So, second, provide me with one situation from the types of communication according to context. Then explain how the communication elements and process work in this situation. So my answer is one of one of example in communication according to context is interpersonal communication. In this situation, the sender are the family members who express their ideas. The message is their suggestions and opinions about the vacation. The channel is to face conversation, including spoken words, special expression, and including spoken words and gestures. The receiver are the other family members who listen or respond. The feedback happens when family members agree, disagree, and ask questions or give additional suggestions. Noise may include people talking at the same time, loud, loud television sounds, or misunderstanding that make it difficult to communicate clearly. And that's all. Thank you.